Hello and welcome. Mornings feel rushed, don't they? That endless to-do list, the stress before your day even starts. What if I told you that in just 5 minutes, you could reset your mind, feel instantly calmer, and take on the day with clarity? This quick morning meditation is designed for busy people like you. No fluff, just pure calm. Ready? Let's begin. You don't need hours to find peace. Just 5 minutes of intentional breathing and mindfulness. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and let's anchor into this moment. Take a deep breath in, hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slowly exhale. Good. Let go of any tension in your shoulders, your jaw. For these next few minutes, this is your time. No distractions, just presence. Bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply. Feel the air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly, releasing any lingering stress. With each breath, imagine roots growing from your body into the earth. Steady, calm, unshakable. Now, scan your body from head to toe. Release tension in your forehead, your neck, your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and let it out. Let your hands relax, your legs grow heavy. Feel yourself becoming lighter, as if floating above the chaos. Take a deep inhale and release it. Silently repeat after me. I am calm. I am focused. Today flows with ease. I choose peace over hurry. Let these words sink in. This is your new morning mantra. Take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, and exhale fully. Picture your day ahead going smoothly. See yourself handling challenges with patience. Feel the satisfaction of a productive yet peaceful day. This energy is now yours. Take a final breath in. Long exhale out. If this meditation brought you calm, hit the like button. It helps others find this peace too. Drop a comment below. Calm mornings. Let's build a community of mindful starters. And if you want more 5-minute meditations for stress relief, then subscribe. New videos every week to keep your mind clear and focused. You've just given yourself the best start to the day. Carry this calm with you, and remember, a peaceful morning creates a peaceful life. See you in the next video. Breathe easy.